My name is Timothy Thompson. I'm an artist skilled in many forms of art, such as animation, 3D design, drawing, and even painting. The reason why I'm skilled in many forms of art is that the program I was previously enrolled had me trained intensely on how to be good in these multiple forms of mediums. I also believe that obtaining more knowledge makes you valuable as an artist and you're open to more opportunities in the future. However, I do believe that giving back to the community is the right thing to do, which is teaching, and I like to inspire other artists to become as good as I am or even better in the future.